In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a video from a single image in Runway ML. We're going to take a single picture and bring it to life using Runway's image to video feature. I'll keep the process clear and simple so you can follow along without any guesswork. Start by heading to Runway ML in your browser. Once you're in, look for the image to video tool. This is the workspace designed specifically to animate still images into short dynamic clips. Opening it sets you up with the right options and interface for the rest of the workflow. Next, upload your image. Choose a clear, high-resolution picture for best results. Sharp subjects, good lighting, and clean backgrounds tend to animate more convincingly. After you add your image, click Continue to move forward. This confirms your selection and prepares the project for guidance. You'll see that Runway automatically generates a text prompt. This prompt tells the system how to animate your image. You can keep it as is, edit parts of it, or replace it entirely. Be specific and visual when you write prompts. For example, describe the motion you want, the vibe or mood, and any camera movement, like a gentle push-in or a slow pan. Concise, descriptive language helps the model produce more consistent results. Now it's time to choose your model. In this walkthrough, I'm selecting WAN 2.2. This model is a strong general choice for transforming images into cinematic motion, balancing detail and coherence. If your style leans more realistic, dynamic, or stylized, this selection can shape the final look. Sticking with WAN 2.2 here keeps the process simple and reliable. Select your aspect ratio to match your destination. For widescreen projects, 16.9 is a solid pick. For social feeds, 9:16 fits vertical formats, while 1.1 works well for square posts. Choosing the right ratio now helps avoid cropping or letterboxing later. You can also edit effects to fine-tune the outcome. Consider adjusting motion strength, camera movement, or stylization to control how bold or subtle the animation feels. Small changes here can make your clip feel more intentional and polished. When everything looks good, click Generate. Runway will process your request and animate the image according to your prompt, model, and settings. Rendering time can vary, but you'll see the clip appear once it's ready. That's the whole process, from a single still image to a finished animated video using image to video inside Runway ML.